At Home Rejuvenators, our motto is, if you can dream it, we can create it. Our courteous professional staff specializes in additions, basement build-outs, kitchen and bathroom remodeling, custom woodworking, cabinetry, drywall installation, and much more. And at Home Rejuvenators, no job is too big or too small. So for all your residential and commercial improvement and remodeling needs, let Home Rejuvenators provide the solutions. Call Home Rejuvenators today at 540-582-3300 or visit online at www.homerejuvenators.com for a full list of services.